Welcome back everybody to Get English Fit. My name is Jane and I'm your British English teacher. Today I am helping you to understand when to use the prepositions of place in, on and at. Just before we get started, if your mission is to learn English, then don't forget to subscribe so that I can bring you more English lessons in the future. Okay. Now let's get started. In. We use in with continents and countries. In Asia. In Taiwan. We use in with cities. In Brighton. In London. In Manchester. In counties. A county is a specific region of a state or country. In Hampshire. Hampshire is a county in the south of England. In Devon. Devon is a county in the southwest of England. We use in with enclosed spaces or specific areas. In the kitchen. In a lift. In my pocket. In the garden. In the swimming pool. In a picture. In a book, in a magazine, in a newspaper. We don't say on a newspaper. In a queue, a line of people waiting. In a car or taxi. We get into the car or taxi. So we are in the car, in the taxi, in the sky. On. We use on with streets and roads. On Oxford Street. A lot of people go shopping on Oxford Street in London. We use on with surfaces. On a table. On a wall. On the ceiling. On the floor. We use on with floors of buildings. On the ground floor. On the first floor. On the second floor. We use on with types of transport, but not a car or taxi. On a bus, on a train, on a plane, on a boat, on a ship, on a bike or motorbike, on a horse. We use on with communications, on the radio, on the television, on the telephone. We use on with the positions on the left or on the right. At. We use at with addresses, with the full address of where someone lives. For example, Steve lives at 25 Park Lane, Wood Crescent, near Peterborough. We use at with these locations: at home, at school, at university, at work, at church, at the gym, at the park, at the bus stop, at the train station, at the airport. We use at with these positions or points: at the entrance, at the exit, at the door, at the end of the road. We use at with activities and events: at parties, at concerts, at festivals, at weddings, at funerals. Now you can practice. Complete the sentences with the missing prepositions in, on or at, and then check your answers. He works an office. He works in an office. Let's meet the entrance to the cinema. Let's meet at the entrance to the cinema. My phone is my pocket. My phone is in my pocket. There is a bird. The roof. There is a bird on the roof. Jill lives the 5th floor. Jill lives on the 5th floor. Buckingham Palace is London. Buckingham Palace is in London. I heard the news, the radio. I heard the news on the radio. You can look up the meanings of words, a dictionary. You can look up the meanings of words in a dictionary. Sarah likes spending time, the garden. Sarah likes spending time in the garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Take care everybody. Bye for now.